Today I will take you through a single day page from our 4-week daily tracker, and I will explain every field and how to use it to its maximum potential. This is a typical daily page in our tracker. At the very top you can see week 1, day 1. We very much on purpose didn't use Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday structure, so you don't have to wait for Monday to start. You can start whenever, and that is your day 1. If you start on Thursday, that's your week 1, day 1, and you can just keep going. So basically you can start tomorrow morning. The main fields are obviously breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks. Each of those is accompanied by a notes field. Now, if you're worried your breakfast needs way more space, or your lunch has way more ingredients, so this font is too big and you need way more space, don't worry, you can keep typing in those fields. If you type over the 5 lines of text you have here, you could see here, there will be a scroll bar here, and you can just keep typing and then you will be able to just scroll. There is no limit. The amount of detail you put in the fields, that's basically up to you. I would say here, what you see, this is my November 1st, and this is like medium detail. This will really kind of depend on your current goal, what you're doing with your food. Are you in a weight loss phase? Are you just eating to get comfortable with new kinds of food? Or what is your current objective? The notes field is very much on purpose just called notes. You can put calories in here, you can put portion sizes, or you can just put how the meal made you feel. Were you full? Were you still hungry? Was it okay? Was there something to work on? This is very much a flexible field for you to kind of use however you think best. We've got a date field on the right. This is, again, if you want to fill it in whatever format, like that font will just get smaller and you can put more in there. I just put November 1st because that's what works for me. We've got a continue and work on fields. Now, some people were confused by this. This is something we very much put on based on our psychological research of what will help people achieve their goals when it comes to food. Continue just means what went well this day, what were you happy with this day, and what do you think you should continue doing, for the next day, for the foreseeable future. Work on obviously is the opposite, is what maybe didn't go as well as you thought and what you need to work on to improve or keep changing or completely eliminate depending on what happened on that particular day. We've got mood and energy at the bottom here. They are self-explanatory, right? Obviously this is here on purpose because research has shown in multiple studies that what you eat really affects your mood and obviously affects your energy levels. If you don't eat enough calories, you're not going to have energy for the day, especially if you're an active athlete or you just work out or just physically active in your job or whatever the case might be. You need a sufficient amount of calories to feel energetic. And obviously the last very important field here is your water. We've put in water because that's what we kind of recommend, but just treat it as hydration if you want. If it's tea or coffee, just the glasses here. 5 is like our daily recommended minimum. If you go above that, that's absolutely great, but it should never fall below. At the very bottom we've got go to index. This is an interactive button that will take you back to the index page, or you can then just jump around the tracker however you might see fit.